You are standing in the middle of the tool aisle, staring at a massive red box that promises to solve every home improvement problem you will ever have. It is heavy. It looks professional. It feels like the ultimate shortcut to a complete workshop. This 6-tool combo kit is the one everyone talks about when they first start building out their collection. You get the hammer drill, the impact driver, a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, a grinder, and a work light. It feels like a total win until you start looking at the fine print on the motor technology. Let's be real about what you are actually holding in your hands. This is the entry point into a world-class battery system. But the tools themselves are running on brushed motors. Most people skip over that detail. In a brushed motor, you have physical carbon brushes making contact inside. That creates friction. Friction creates heat. Heat is the enemy of your power tools. If you are a professional contractor who is going to be leaning on these tools for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, you might find yourself hitting the limits of this gear sooner than you think. The premium line from this same brand uses brushless motors which are more efficient and run much cooler. However, does that mean this kit is a bad deal? Not at all. For the person who spends their Saturdays building a new deck or fixing a leaky pipe under the sink, these tools are more than enough. One detail that really stands out is the circular saw. Most budget kits give you cheap plastic guards that feel like they might snap if you drop them once. This kit uses magnesium guards. That is a massive jump in build quality. It shows that the brand isn't just cutting corners to hit a price point. You also get 2 high-capacity batteries that really do lead the pack when it comes to runtime. The power delivery is consistent. The packs are designed to last through hundreds of charge cycles without fading away. Then there is the warranty. Most brands give you 3 years and call it a day. This brand gives you 5. That is a huge statement of confidence in their engineering. Even if these are the entry-level brushed motors, they are built to take a beating. The real value here is the ecosystem. Once you have those batteries and the charger, you can buy any other tool in their massive 18-volt lineup. You could add a vacuum, a leaf blower, or even a chainsaw later on without having to buy more batteries. It is like buying into a club where the membership fee is high, but the benefits keep growing. If you are a homeowner, this kit is basically a lifetime investment. You are getting professional-grade housing and battery tech with a motor that is perfect for intermittent use. Just know that if you start a full-scale construction business next week, you will eventually want to step up to the brushless top-tier line. For everyone else, having 6 reliable tools that all share the same power source is a total game changer. It simplifies your workspace. It gives you the confidence to tackle projects you might have hired out last year. You are buying into a legacy of durability that most other brands just cannot touch at this price. It is about balance. You trade a little bit of motor efficiency for a massive head start on a professional tool collection. That is a trade most people would take in a heartbeat. The weight of the tools in your hand tells the story. They feel substantial. They feel ready. When you pull the trigger on that drill, you hear that familiar whine of a tool that wants to work. It is not just about the name on the side of the plastic. It is about the years of work you are going to get out of it. This is how you build a workshop that actually lasts.